What is this called? An espresso machine. What is this called? A coffee grinder. What is this called? A portafilter. What is this called? A tamper. What is this called? A milk frother. What is this called? A takeaway cup. What is this called? A cup sleeve. What is this called? A syrup pump. What is this called? A pastry case. What is this called? A tip jar. What is this called? A security tray. What is this called? A metal detector. What is this called? A baggage carousel. What is this called? A baggage cart. What is this called? A luggage scale. What is this called? An overhead bins. What is this called? A boarding gate. What is this called? An airplane seat. What is this called? A conveyor belt. What is this called? A jet bridge. What is this called? A ticket machine. What is this called? A ticket validator. What is this called? A turnstile. What is this called? A platform bench. What is this called? A luggage locker. What is this called? A ticket counter. What is this called? An escalator. What is this called? An elevator. What is this called? A platform clock. What is this called? A railway track. What is this called? A baking sheet. What is this called? A muffin tin. What is this called? A cookie cutter. What is this called? A pastry brush. What is this called? A cooling rack. What is this called? A set of measuring spoons. What is this called? A cake pan. What is this called? A piping bag. What is this called? A silicone baking mat. What is this called? An oven mitt. What is this called? An e-reader. What is this called? A smart speaker. What is this called? A router. What is this called? A pair of earbuds. What is this called? A game controller. What is this called? A portable charger. What is this called? A projector. What is this called? A drone. What is this called? A VR headset. What is this called? A charging dock. What is this called? A crosswalk. What is this called? A bus stop. What is this called? A street light. What is this called? A traffic cone. What is this called? A parking meter. What is this called? A mailbox. What is this called? A bench. What is this called? A street sign. What is this called? A trash can. What is this called? A manhole cover. What is this called? A washing machine. What is this called? A dryer. What is this called? An ironing board. What is this called? An iron. What is this called? A clothespin. What is this called? A clothesline. What is this called? A drying rack. What is this called? A laundry hamper. What is this called? A bottle of fabric softener. What is this called? A garment steamer. What is this called? A water tap. What is this called? A bathroom sink. What is this called? A bathtub. What is this called? A shower head. What is this called? A towel rack. What is this called? A toilet paper roll. What is this called? A soap dispenser. What is this called? A bath mat. What is this called? A shower curtain. What is this called? A toothbrush holder.